Introducing 1000. First thing I would like you to do is get a piece of paper and for your notes, and the word I want you to put in there is place value. Write out that place value is a base 10 number system. Any numeral can represent a different value depending on where it appears in the written number. Once you've done that, then I want you to glue the examples of the base 10 underneath that you will have in your binder, and then I would like you to get out of the binder, I would like you to get out 10 sheets of the hundreds chart. So over the next couple days, you're going to make a book with 1000 squares in it to give you an idea of how much 1000 is. We'll be using the book to find numbers, to solve problems with larger numbers, and to learn more about how our number system works. You will be using a blank 100s chart to know your 1000s book. This is just like a hundreds chart you have seen before, but without numbers. It has 100 squares. How many of these charts do you think each person will need to make a 1000 book? How do you know? So I want you to stop the tape, talk to each other, find out how many pages you think you're going to need of the hundreds and why. Then I want to know what number will the first page start with and end with. Once you've decided that, I want you to put just those two numbers in. Then look at the second page. What number will the second page start with and end with? Please use a pencil to fill these in. We may go back and put them in with a marker later, but let's make sure we have them correct. Do that with every page of the book that you have, doing just the first number of each page and the last number of each page. All right, now I want you to start talking to your partner, and you have 5 minutes to write in some important, what we call landmark numbers on each page. Now, you're not going to have time to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 1000. So, what numbers would help you be those landmark numbers to help you figure out where the rest of the numbers go? So, I would like you guys to talk about this and then set your timer for 5 minutes. Just look at the clock and start filling in how many pages you have. I will be over to check. What are the landmark numbers that you think you have to put in? Okay, now, which chart would the number 673 be on? Can you show your partner and add it to the chart when you both agree? What number comes after 600? Fill that one in. And what number comes before 600? Now, tell your partner, what is the value of this digit in this number? What place is it in? Is 600 in the ones place, the tens place, or the hundreds place? All right, now that you have that done, you have one sheet of homework. You have 10 minutes in class to work on it, otherwise then you have homework. And it is page 1.